Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting a project with intent. Keep the watermark subtle but visible. First, choose the correct aspect ratio so placement aligns. For examples, use 16:9 for YouTube. Once you import assets, drag your main clip to layer 1 and immediately add the PNG watermark to a layer above. This ordering makes the watermark visible without altering the original video. Make sure the watermark file has transparency, because that's what lets it overlay cleanly without a background rectangle. Now you'll tune how the watermark looks and behaves because visibility and subtlety matter. Select the watermark layer, pinch to scale down to a small, unobtrusive size. Keep aspect ratio to avoid stretching. Then drag it to the desired corner or use center alignment. Use safe margin guides so it won't be cut off on screens. After positioning, extend or trim the layer to match the video duration or only the segment where branding is needed. This gives you control over timing and framing. Finish by making the watermark transparent so it's visible but not distracting. With the watermark selected, open layer options and reduce opacity to somewhere between 10 and 40%, lower for busy scenes, higher for dark or simple backgrounds. If opacity alone isn't enough, try blend modes like overlay or screen. They interact with the video's brightness to look natural. Once satisfied, export a short sample clip at full resolution to confirm visibility. If the watermark looks too faint or harsh, readjust opacity or switch blend modes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.